Hey guys, I'm making hummus today. I've got 2 cans of chickpeas. I rinsed them out. And this is 19 fluid ounces or 540 mils. I used 2 of these cans, drained them and rinsed them in a strainer. These recipes are pretty vague in terms of you can add other things, whatever you like. So it's just a basic recipe just to get you inspired. I use tahini and lemon juice. I don't have lemons right now. I don't have garlic either, so garlic powder. And if you don't like garlic, you can use none or less or whatever. But then one thing I'm doing this time, and I've done it last time, was I've got this sweet red peppers. And you can kind of make a nice roasted pepper hummus. And so the amounts are just up to you. If you like a strong garlic, you can use more cloves. If you know, oh, I also put a bit of water in here. And I use a blender, so if you have a food processor, it's probably better because it's a little bit trickier, but because there's some liquid in here with the water, and it'll be a little bit, you know, creamy in that sense, but you might want to use a food processor if you have that. So I'm just gonna add the stuff and I'll blend her up. So it's about a tablespoon. You could do a couple tablespoons for two cans. Just a little bit of garlic powder. You can do it to taste. Salt if you want. It usually needs salt. Pinch of salt, lemon juice and water. Use a whole lemon if you have one. And you can add more lemon juice if you want it tangier. So I just have to add the peppers now. And I'll just add more if I need to. So let's blend her up. Hey guys, so I made just reused a couple containers, put the hummus in there. Got another one, so I made 2. There you go. So yummy. You can use cucumber slices, celery, if you wanted to use little pita. But and just feel free to change it. I didn't really put specific amounts, like a tablespoon of tahini, you know, 1 lemon juice squeezed, a pinch of salt or a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, whatever you want. You can vary things. You can add stuff. I put the roasted peppers in there. Yeah, there you go. Hope you like that. So I'll put a little recipe in the description of the video you can check out. It's just a rough guideline to get you started, but a lot of people haven't made hummus and that. They're a little bit nervous about, you know, exact ingredients and measurements, but so I'll put a little sample there for you to get started with, but feel free to add or subtract anything that you like. Talk to you guys later.